Oh, guys, it's 1 kilo of beans. We are cooking 2 kilo. Let's cook as business people. We cook and store because we don't have too much time. This is the second packet. We put water and parboil. After parboiling, we remove it and wash it. Then we reboil, we cook again. As you can see, I will wash it later. This is just to parboil. This is water to parboil. This is black beans. Very nutritive. Guys, see our beans parboiled. I have to wash it now. It's don't wash them. We are rinsing it. Then we put it back inside the pot. Then we boil it now. Put salt to the beans. Yes, so putting new water, salt. We're putting salt. Let me the beans boil. It's now that I'm putting salt. Yes. Because the first one was parboiled, then put salt. We put pepper. So that it boil together with it. Yes. The fire is on. We're putting black pepper. The real one, you know why I'm putting black pepper? Because some people don't eat beans because of gastric. So when you put black pepper like this, when you eat beans, it doesn't climb up of your chest. So that's why I love putting black pepper. Yes, this is real pepper. So that the beans will be boiling with the pepper at the same time. And what I go? So later we'll put Maggi, everything. Bye bye. So stay tuned. Yes, so let's mix it. Hi guys, we have our multi tomato here. I sell this tomato 3 in 1. So guys, I'll be taking it to cook my beans today. We have our beans. Ta-da! Look at our tomato. There is nothing. It's already ready. I'll just boil it and put it inside the beans. Our beans is already ready. We just need to put we'll put a bit of water, the tomato. Then this is our beans. Look at, it's ready. It's already ready. Look at, I don't want to, so that the beans will be, because before you put dry fish, you put every other thing, it will be softer. So I cook it like that, and then later cook it like this. Look at, guys, this is pepper and onion. We're putting our ginger. This one is for beans, so our beans, our crayfish, our beans. Today I know we're putting dry fish. We'll drop water. Yes, so then we have our onion. I'll put inside the pot. Our tomato is done. We have our Maggi. Guys, we don't kill them. Guys, this is our oil. We sell this one. We'll be putting it. It's too full. I don't know why. Yes, you guys. Our beans is soon ready. We'll be putting our crayfish, our grind crayfish, onion, and pepper together. So that we'll mix. We'll put a bit of water because we already put oil. Then I love putting red oil a bit in my beans. Yes, guys. Yes. Put a bit of water. You shake the thing well, well. Shake them. We are coming. Baby, ma, Fina. You don't talk and how many times we go there say I didn't have to do so I will do something. Always say something. And you know say I will do this. You will talk my reply. Then it's porridge black beans. It's remaining just the tomato. As the tomato is ready, look at our beans. Guys, I don't cook beans before for party. If you eat my beans, you will say no, madam, your beans na beans. Sugar, pepper, everything ready. See onion, they cry. I grind some onion, now I get the taste. The flavor of onion when you grind is different from when you just cut and put. Yes. So guys, we'll be leaving it. I love this color I see with red oil. What red oil does exist inside the beans. Very yummy. A bit of salt. Wow! Look at our beans. Our beans. My wonderful people, see beans, tomato dey, see beans, better beans. See rate my beans, guys. Better beans, see beans, pop and beans.